I am the soul of absolution. No man can hide his own illusion. My hands are crippled from the pain. You are the splinter in my vein. You put your head between your hands and understand nothing it has. I feel the answers keep you scared. I've put the harm inside myself. I am the lion, I hold you near. There is no burden left to bear, I can see clear. I am perfected, I know no void. I have no conscience to keep clear. I understand there's nothing more. You try to kid yourself with questions bleeding inside for some correction. I found you tied unto the cross. Your judgment owns your everything.